Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove people from photos in iPhone 14 using a quick and simple method. If you've ever taken a great photo but want to erase someone from the background, this guide is just what you need. Now let's get started. Open the Google Photos app on your iPhone. This app is available for free in the App Store and gives you some powerful editing tools. Find and select the photo you want to edit. Make sure it's the one where you want to remove a person or object. Tap on the Edit option at the bottom of the screen. This will open up a set of editing features for your photo. Swipe right through the options and tap on the Tools section. This is where you'll find advanced features like the Magic Eraser. Tap on Magic Eraser. It's a smart tool that can automatically detect and remove unwanted objects or people from your photo. Make sure Erase is selected. This tells the tool you want to erase something instead of camouflaging it. Draw around the person or object you want to remove. The tool will detect it and remove it from the photo instantly. Tap on any blemishes or leftover areas if needed. This will clean up anything that was missed the first time. Tap on Done at the bottom of the screen to finish editing. This applies all your changes to the image. Tap on Save in the pop-up menu. This prepares your edited photo for storage. Tap Save again to make sure your changes are saved in your photo library. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more useful tips.